And let's get another check of that forecast, Brett. A lot of positive things happening. It's Friday.
Yeah.
Some people are having that extended weekend.
Yeah.
And low humidity.
And low humidity, nice warmth to go along with that humidity, light winds also. And Splash Kingdom opens tomorrow at 11, and when the park opens, temperature around 79. Nice afternoon, 87 by 3. Headed home at 7 o'clock. It cools off just a little bit, 82, but no rain in the forecast. All right, here's the travel forecast. We're tracking a couple of disturbances that are approaching from the west. Another one moves into west and north central Texas Saturday evening. But again, East Texas is dry. Our beaches are dry. Everything looks pretty good. We get into Sunday. Now we have some showers and thunderstorms trying to form out in South Texas, and those eventually will head down toward, say, Port Aransas, Corpus Christi, and maybe Houston by Monday afternoon. We could see a couple of showers here. Best chance of rain Memorial Day will be San Antonio to San Angelo and Dallas westward toward Lubbock. Weekend forecast, partly cloudy overnight tonight, seasonable, 65 for the overnight low. Tomorrow's just a gorgeous day, mostly sunny, 88 for the high, rain doubtful, and rain doubtful on Sunday as clouds increase. We're up to 88 for that high temperature. Memorial Day, a tad humid at 8 p.m., or 8 a.m., I should say, 73, mostly dry, I think probably dry at noon, 85, and scattered thunderstorms starting to move into the forecast at 4 p.m., 87. I would call this partly cloudy. We should stay relatively rain-free. I think rain-free until 2 or 3 in the afternoon on Monday. All right, so here's future skycast. Saturday morning, 7 o'clock, we're good. A couple of clouds bubble up by the afternoon, highs in the mid-80s. We get into Sunday. Now things start to change. We start to see southeasterly winds, and that's why the humidity increases just a little bit Sunday. And then Sunday afternoon in our western counties, maybe down toward Trinity or Houston County, maybe an isolated shower. Then Monday, we start to see more widespread showers and thunderstorms out here to the west, and they try to move into East Texas, and eventually will, I think, by the end of the day. Rainfall, so far in May, it has not rained since the 15th here in Tyler. So we're up to 11 days now without rain, and the monthly rainfall deficit is growing just a little bit. So how much rain can we pick up here over the next several days? Well, through Monday evening, just a few hundredths down in Nacogdoches and at Lufkin. Athens, Palestine, about 1/4 of an inch, and then I think more widespread rain moves in Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. All right, tonight, seasonably warm, partly cloudy, temperature around 65 degrees with that light east-northeast wind. Tomorrow, generally sunny despite a few afternoon clouds, 88 for the high temperature and an east-northeast wind around 7 miles an hour. Baylor Scott & White, Texas Spine and Joint Hospital, 10-day forecast. So 88 tomorrow and Sunday, upper 80s Monday ahead of those scattered late-day thunderstorms. Scattered thunderstorms on Tuesday, a little cooler. Wednesday rounds out May with an isolated shower thunderstorm chance. June begins on Thursday, and so does a warmer weather pattern. Upper 80s to low 90s, and it stays that way through the first weekend of June with scattered thunderstorms on Saturday and again on Sunday. All right.